Hello artists and welcome! Today we will continue working in the Sculpture Studio. Last time you worked on creating a puppet. Today we are going to make a background for your puppet. For this independent practice, we want you to make a background for your puppet. For your background, we want you to decorate your ground and sky or walls. The background should tell us more about your puppet. For an example, if you have a puppet with wings, you could create a background with blue sky and lots of clouds. All students need drawing, collage, or craft materials, as well as a pencil, scissors, and a piece of paper or a sketchbook. There are two ways to create a background. Where you are creating your background will determine which type of background to make. There is a set of directions for virtual students and another set for in-person hybrid students. I'll begin with directions for virtual students. For virtual students, use your sketchbook. Open it to 2 blank pieces of paper. One page will be the ground and the other will be the walls or sky. Here is a quick example of what I'm talking about. Create your background using drawing, collage, or craft materials. When you've finished your background, lean your sketchbook against a wall and place your puppet on it to take your picture. Here is an alternative option for virtual students. If you can't find your sketchbook, fold a white piece of paper in half. Then design your ground and sky and lean it up against the wall, just like I showed with the sketchbook. Here is a quick example of what that looks like. For in-person hybrid students, you'll be given a piece of paper that is 12 by 12 inches, and it will have a cut on the edge of one section and the other has an X. This is so we can fold and glue your background together when you are done designing it. You will have a few different choices for materials for your background today. Some materials you can use are drawing, collage, or craft materials like these. Let's look at a few background examples. For Ms. Cutterly's example, she decided to make a castle on a cliff for her dragon. Her dragon is guarding a person in the castle. See how she separated the sky from the ground. Here is my background for my bunny puppet. I decided to make my background of what my bunny puppet would be dreaming of. My bunny is dreaming of a world full of carrots. The walls show a forest of carrots and the floor is full of flowers and clovers. Here is an example of a beach on just a piece of paper. I made a beach for my starfish because he likes to be in the water and sand. He also likes to soak up the sun. Last, here is my example in a notebook. This is a background for someone wanting to walk through the park. This background is perfect for my person or my cat creature. See how I've got a sky on top and then a sidewalk on the bottom. Remember, we want you to make a background. For your background, we want you to decorate your ground and your walls. The background has to relate to your puppet, such as if you have a puppet that has wings, maybe it is flying through the clouds. I can't wait to see what you create. See you next time, artists!